Okay, it's 31 degrees outside, and today's the 6th of December. I'm gonna take a look at Goodman and see how it's doing. And no, I'm not gonna go out there barefoot this time because it is 1 degree below freezing. Condensation on the window. And my shoes on. And my little cap. Let me set the camera down somewhere. It'll be cold outside. Oh, more pine cone. Let's go get my gloves on. Hey boy, what's this? I was staying here. It's too cold outside for you two pretty things. Okay, let me see if I can still control the camera this way. Yeah, I guess I can. I'm beginning to miss summer. Oh God. Is it freaking cold out here? Still frost from this morning. This morning it was 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Freaking cold. Here's the Goodman. It's working flawlessly since auxiliary heat's been fixed. And the panel's vibrating. It's not freezing up no more. Oh, I'm going back in. It's freaking too cold out here. Yep, 31 degrees.